Hi YouTube, and this is JTrain997, back with another figure review. This time, the DC Universe Classics Wave 7 Big Barda. This is the only one I'm missing from the ones that are currently released. I was at Toys R Us today and they started carrying these again, which is good because they charged less than Walmart. There was also a variant. It's her without the helmet and a braid in her hair. I don't know if you can pull the helmet off this figure. Maybe, maybe not. She comes with the left arm of Atom Smasher. Okay, there's Atom Smasher when he's finished. So you can see they went with a lot more figures in this wave. Flash, Blue Beetle, Kid Flash, Ocean Warrior Aquaman, Captain Cold, Big Barda, and Booster Gold. Only Kid Flash, Flash, Big Barda, and Captain Cold have been released so far. I'm not sure why they chose to release the figures separately. But I've heard that the other three, Beetle, Booster, and Aquaman, are starting to show up now, which is a good thing, because I really want Booster and Beetle. Also, they reissued Batman and Green Lantern, but they don't have their Build-A-Figure piece, which is disappointing, because I really do need Batman's Build-A-Figure piece. But if you look on the back of their box, it's just them, their stats, and a list of the characters that will be released like that with just the base in the future, which was Wonder Woman, Robin, Shazam, and Firestorm, not necessarily in that order. Okay, it says, born on the evil warlike planet Apocalypse, Barda was specially trained in all forms of combat by Granny Goodness. She fell in love with Scott-Free, a child of peaceful New Genesis who was being raised on Apocalypse, and used her warrior skills to help him escape to Earth. She then eventually married Scott, who assumed the name Mr. Miracle, and she has helped him fight evil, and they have both served on Justice League of America. First appearance, Mr. Miracle Series 1. Real name, Barda Free. Occupation, Freedom Fighter. Base of Operations, New Genesis. Special abilities, Enhanced Strength, Stamina. Mastery of Hand-to-Hand Combat. Mega Rod serves as Club, Energy Blaster, and Temporary Jet Propulsion System. So I'm glad I finally got her to go with Mr. Miracle. So let's pull her out of the pack. And here she is out of the box. I've got to admit, I'm a little disappointed in her posability. It's very limited. The arms are limited by the helmet, and the legs are limited by that skirt thing she's wearing. Okay. The detail on the figure is nice. I've only seen Big Barda in the same episode of Justice League Unlimited I saw Mr. Miracle on. But she seemed fairly cool. Okay. Her little rod here is, came bent. Slightly bent. There's not any detail at all. There's some bumps. I mean, it could have used a coat of paint, make it look like it was a little more high-tech. Okay. It fits in her hand well enough, which is good because the weapons in this line have a problem with staying in the hand. Okay. The figure overall is alright, but I am, like I said, disappointed with the articulation. Okay, she is the third female in the line, with Wonder Woman and Harley Quinn being the two predecessors. And so far, I've got to say Wonder Woman's my favorite female that they've made out of this line. Her posability was good, her detail was good. Harley Quinn had the worst articulation because of her broken elbows and the way she stands, but this Big Barda is actually giving her a run for her money. She doesn't stand all that well. Like I've said, the posability is limited by that skirt thing she's wearing. The helmet does not come off like I thought, so if you want one with the helmet off, you'll have to buy the variant, which I don't want one enough to do it. Okay, but overall, it's alright just to, if you want somebody to pose beside this guy. I mean, that's what I bought her for. She accents him nicely. Okay, but I'm gonna go 7 on her, the same score that I gave Harley Quinn. I'm not amazed, but she's alright. Here is the left arm of Atom Smasher. Nothing incredibly fantastic about that. Yeah, but she's okay. Pick her up if you're a Mr. Miracle fan or you're just wanting to finish Atom Smasher, but other than that, I don't recommend her. This is JTrain997. This figure gets a 7 out of 10. See you soon, YouTube.